Hi, my name is Brandon Hamilton, and I'm a program coordinator at The Right Place. Tech Week is here, and we're going to make it awesome. If you're a host, send a reminder with all the event details ahead of time. Keep your attendees informed and engaged. Set up any Tech Week signage and display your materials and Tech Week swag that you received in your ambassador kit. Make sure your ambassador is ready to welcome guests and support your event. Now, if you're attending, you'll find a variety of events happening throughout the region. Explore the calendar and dive in. Use the filter options on the events page to narrow things down by topic, date, audience, or location so that you can focus on what matters to you. Come curious, open-minded, and ready to connect. Tech Week is a celebration of all things tech our community has to offer. Let's make it the best one yet.